everybody. Thanks for joining me on my channel today with Amy's Creative Acrylics. I'm Amy. Hello, hello. Today I'm doing a collaboration with an amazing artist, which I'm sure you all have heard of. Mandy with Hope Design. If you haven't, you definitely need to. She is an amazing artist. I'll put her information in the description so you can go and follow her or check out the collaboration. We're both doing straight pours today, which I haven't done one for a little bit, so I'm kind of excited about this. The colors that we chose to use are purple, teal, Prussian blue, magenta, gold, and white, any size canvas, and we're both doing straight pours. So the colors that I'm using are Decoart Metallic 24 karat gold, surprise, surprise. Decoart's Metallic Amethyst, Soho's Prussian blue, Art Mind's Timeless Teal, and Blick Acrylic's Fluorescent Magenta. And I'm just going to use white from my base. Actually, not for my base, for my flow extender. Had to think there for a minute. It's been a while. I usually have to put a base down for my pours, but this time I don't. So I'm going to kind of put them in a specific order-ish, though I do want to put gold down first, and then I'm going to go in the direction that I have. So I'm going to just layer my cup here, and then I'm going to start with the magenta, Prussian blue. So for this size canvas, how I figure out how much paint I need, I watched oh my gosh, Mina Villegas. I totally went blank. And when I watched her videos, I watch a lot of her videos, but one time I was watching and she said, you take that, like this is a 14 by 14, so we'll take 14 times 14, then we divide that by 28. And that gives me 7. So I need 7 ounces of paint to cover my canvas. The cup that I have right here is an 8-ounce cup, so I have plenty. Oops. But I'm sure everybody knows who Mandy is with Hope Designs, and but if you don't, you seriously need to go and check her out, because she does some amazing stuff, and I do appreciate you doing a collaboration with me, Mandy. I have to tell you guys something funny, and she probably got tired of this because I noticed she changed it, but I used to always call her Hope. When I made comments and stuff, I'd always be like, so beautiful, Hope. And her name is not Hope, her name is Mandy. So, just so you know, her name is Mandy, not Hope. And who knows, maybe I was the only one who did that. And I'm sorry. Sorry, Mandy. I got your name right now. I know what it is. Alright, so I'm going to start pouring. I think I'm going to do it this other direction. Look at how pretty that cup is. Oh, oops. And then I tilted the wrong way. Paint coming all over my hand here. Alrighty, here we go. don't know why I got kind of heavy-handed going this way, so I'm just gonna kind of work it over this way a little bit just so I can kind of get that ironed. Let's see. I'm gonna torch it here. Look at these colors, are beautiful. I'm pretty sure I have a couple little things in there that I do not want, so we'll have to get them out of there when we can. I thought I seen them come out when I was pouring it out. break up that line I kind of got there, trying to get that goob out of there. But oh, this is so pretty. The colors are gorgeous. I love the cells. Beautiful. This is, I'm obsessed with this right here. And I love this. And I really like this now too. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I'm super happy about this. I'm going to torch it one more time just to make sure I don't have any air bubbles there. I do thank everybody for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed the video and you will like and subscribe. If you are a returning subscriber, I appreciate y'all. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I can't thank you enough for all the kind words that you say in supporting my channel, just watching my videos and supporting. I appreciate it. And if you're new, I hope you enjoyed it, and you will. I didn't even use the white. Oh, poo. Shoot, I just now thought of that. But if you're new, I appreciate you joining today. Hopefully you will like and subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell when you'll be notified when I put up my next video. I usually do them on Wednesdays and Sundays. But once in a while, if I have a collaboration on a different day, then I post a little bonus for the week. So if you hit that notification bell, you'll be notified. And again, Mandy, thank you for doing this collab with me. I appreciate you. I know that you are busy lady, but I do appreciate this. Okay, I'm going to bring you down for a close-up. Just look at how pretty that is. Those colors are gorgeous. I can't believe I forgot to add a little bit of white. Like, I even had it here. Well, then I was going to use that one, but then I decided I had enough paint on there, so sorry about that, Mandy. But look at how beautiful it is. The cells, all that shimmer. So I had two metallics, the gold and the amethyst. Just look at how pretty those are. I love that. And I love that. Gorgeous, gorgeous. But I will put Mandy's information in the description for Hope Design. And please go and check it out. Yeah, she's... yeah, anyway. I just totally went blank. But please check out her video. And again, Mandy, I do appreciate it. I'm very grateful that you did the collaboration with me. But yeah, I hope everybody enjoyed it. It's so pretty. The colors are just awesome. Look at that up there. Some funky amethyst cells. That little band there is cool too. Funky, funky. But thanks again. I hope everybody's being healthy and safe from COVID. Just healthy in general. And I appreciate y'all so much. Have a good day. Have a good evening. Keep being creative. Bye.